Hello guys, welcome to Learn with Nikhil. Today I will show how to create a car body shape in CATIA V5 using surfacing. So if you ask me why you are creating this shape, why don't you go for mechanical components and complex components? Because car body shape is something, an interesting object to create. And while creating these things, I may use different features. You can apply those while you're creating a complex mechanical components. So let's move on to start mechanical design, generative shape design, then press on enable hybrid design, then click the front view and position sketch like this. And you take something a car shape for reference while creating CATIA. So I have some shape here, something a horizontal line outline, I'm creating the top outline. So then a inclined line like this, then click on leftmost button and drag like this. We'll get a tangent arc. Then draw a horizontal line like this. Then again a tangent arc. Again a tangent arc like this. So now if you feel something should be more, then drag little more this one. So now I feel everything is okay. I will exit from here sketch. Then I will press on extrude, mirror extend, and I will give like this. So if you want a little more width, you can give, or else you can reduce this. So for me, 360 is enough. So I will click on OK. Then I will select this top line, position sketch like this, and I will try a vertical line like this. Then I will exit from here and I will press on extrude button. I need to be these things to be trimmed. I need this side also same. For that, I will select insert operations symmetry. I'll select this surface which we extruded now, and I will select this plane, this middle plane, front plane, and press on OK. So now I will trim this one. Select this trim option. Then I will select this surface as well as this surface, other side, and press on OK. Then again, trim option. I'll select this surface and this surface, other side, and press on OK. So now I will hide the sketches which are not required for us. Then I will select this top line and I will select this sketch and I will press on extrude. But this should be in X direction like this. Then I will trim this, I will split this one, select this one as well as this one. Press on OK. Hide this one and hide this sketch as well. So now I will select this top line and I will offset this one to about 20 mm. I will select this plane which we have created now, and then I will sketch on this one. Now I will sketch on this. So I will select the rectangle and I will draw like this. Then I will make these two as coincident, and this one as coincident, and distance from here to here it is 10 mm. Distance from here to here it is 10 mm, and exit from here. Now I will select this extrude command. I will press this one and I will make this as 0 first limit. and this limit as like this, maybe 320. Then I will hide this one. I will select this blend option. I will select extract, and I will select this one for this edge. I will select extract. I will select this edge and give tangent as propagation, and this side too extract this edge tangent continuity. Then I'll select this blend option. I'll select this edge and this edge, and I'll press on OK. Then again, I'll select this blend option, select this one as well as this one, press on OK. Again, I'll select this blend option, I'll select this one as well as this one, press on OK. Lastly, this surface, select this one, press on OK. Now it's fine, and we'll hide these extracts, and we'll select all these things, and we'll press on join. Now it is join. Then we'll select this top line. We'll select this top line, position sketch. We'll draw a sketch here. I'll drag like this. I will get a tangent arc like this. If you want little more curve, can increase like this. Then exit from. Then select this curve, the sketch, and mirror. So I need exactly this one on the right side. So exit from here and press on extrude. Like this. Then OK. Then press trim option. Select this curve body shape. Other side. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Then we will select this one, and we will draw the holes here, which are for tires, like this. Give the dimension as 320, and need this one, this side too. The dimension as 320. If you want, you can increase also, but this no problem. Then select this one and this one. Make the dimension as 290. And again, this one 290. Then exit from here. Select the extrude command. Press on OK. OK. Cancel. Select this split option. Select this one. Select the circles. So now this has been removed. Now hide this one. Not required. Hide these sketches. Not required for us. Then we doesn't require these things. So I will select this spline. I will sketch on this one. Something like this. I will exit from here, and I will press extrude. Okay. So this body, the surface, and I will press on off. Hide this one. So now we got something is shape, but we need some little detailings. For that, I will select these things, and I will press on direction in X direction, reverse. Make this as 0, and this one as maybe around 15. And same I require this direction also. Next direction. To look something little detail, I am doing this time. So I will select this one as well as this surface. Let's go to the operations. symmetry, select this one. Maybe we can only mirror uh, one surface. So I got here. Then I will press on again the surface and again insert operations, symmetry, and this plane. Okay. So now we got something detailing at here, and we need some uh, holes for headlight. So I'll select this one, and I will draw something like this. Then I require this thing in the right side to mirror right side. This is from here. Then I will select this extrude, and I will select like this. You can see these are touching to our surfaces. Should not be like that. So make like this. This is fine. Now press on OK. OK. Cancel. I will select this split option again. I'll select this one. I'll select this one. Then hide this one. We got headlight. Then again I need the right side indication lights. The back side we need indication lights. At here, something like this. Mirror this one, this direction, then hide. Now again press on extrude command. It's fine now. Then press on OK and again cancel. Now I'll select this split option. I'll select this body and this one and press on OK. Now I will hide these things. So now we will hide these sketches which are not required for us. Hide, hide. So now everything is okay. It's look fine, but we need a little more detailings. For that, first I will join these things. First I will join these things. Then I will select this edge fillet option, and I will select this one first, and I will give 5 mm, no 10 mm edge fillet. You can see the edges has been removed. Then again, I'll select this one as well as this one, and I will give 10 mm edge fillet. Again, I will select this edge fillet, and I will give edge fillet this one as 10 mm, and again I will select this edge fillet. And this, and this, and this one, and lastly this one. I'll give 10 mm. And the lastly, I also give edge fillet to this. It is not possible to give. Maybe you can see from here. So now press on OK. So this edges has been shaped, and I will select this edge, select this edge, and this edge, and I will give here more fillet radius around 10 mm. And I will give edge fillet to this one also. If I am press on OK. So now all the edges has been given fillet. Now we got the shape, but we require something little more detailing. For that, I will add the front glass and the side glass. So select the front plane and I will draw a profile, uh, something like this. Then profile, something like this. Then I will exit from here. I'll press on extrude command, both direction, both direction. Then I will press on split option. I'll press on OK. And I will hide this one. We got some shape here in the side. Then we need in the front too. For that, I will select this position sketch and I will try a rectangle from here, something like this. Then I will press on exit sketch and I will give extrude, something like this. Press on OK. I will split this one and I will hide this. So now we got some detailings. We will hide all the sketches and we will see the results. So now I will hide these planes also. Lastly, I will move these things to look clearly. So this is our final shape. If you want, you can add more detailings by creating this extrude surface like this. And lastly, I will create. I will make this as color. Something like this. This is our final shape. Hope you like this video.